Hey, Kai here. Today is Safety Power-Up Day. 5 rules to stay awesome online. No scary stuff, just smart moves with your grown-up on your team. Rule 1. Keep personal info private. That means your full name, home address, school, and phone number. Stay off public chats and games. Favorites like pizza topping? Fine, offline. Info locked. Privacy wiggle. Rule 2. Password power-up. Make long passphrases with a grown-up. Never share passwords in chat, DMs, or with friends at recess. Grown-ups help you store them safely. Passwords protected. Lock robot. Rule 3. Strangers online are still strangers. If someone you do not know asks personal questions, say no and tell a grown-up. You are allowed to be boring on purpose. That is smart. Boundary set. Stranger disco. Rule 4. Ask a grown-up before downloads, new apps, or weird pop-ups. Free prizes and surprise links are often tricks. Pause, show your adult, then decide together. Paused and checked, pause floss. Rule 5. If something feels weird, scary, or too good to be true, tell a trusted adult right away. Parent, teacher, grandparent. You are never in trouble for asking for help. You are a safety hero. Hero party! Victory dance. Private info, strong passwords, stranger smarts, ask first, tell an adult. You and your grown-up are an unstoppable safety team. Thanks for learning with Stick Figure Tech.